Good morning, students. Today I am starting the 8th lesson, Body Movement. Observe the movements taking place in your body, and you might have seen so many movements around yourself. For example, the movements like the birds flying, fishes swimming, and the snakes moving. And you just think by yourself that which are those body parts you can move. You can lift the books, you can move your hands, and you can walk, so that you can change. That is called as the locomotion. All the bones in our body also forms a framework to give a shape to our body. Bones, cartilages and muscles. The framework is called as the bones, skeleton bones. The framework of all the bones in the human body is called as the skeleton. They give the shape to the human body. Bones of hand, bones of ribs, bones of pelvic bones, leg bones. Skull protects the brain. Rib bones protects the heart and the lungs. The spinal cord, the backbone is protecting the spinal cord. Pelvic bones protecting the urinary bladder. Dear students, we can bend or rotate our body parts like elbow, shoulder and neck. This place is called as the joints. There are 4 types of joints are there. One is ball and socket joint. Second one is hinge joint. Third one is pivotal joint. Fourth one is fixed joints. Let us study about these joints in detail. First one is ball and socket joints. In ball and socket joint, one end of a bone is rounded and ball-like and fits into the cup-like depression of another bone. You can see it in the picture. You see these are the examples. Shoulder joints and the hip joints are example for ball and socket joints. This shoulder joints helps in arm swimming, as showing in the video. You see, in the hip joint, the large ball-like head of the femur fits into the deep socket of the hip girdle. Next joint is pivotal joint. One bone rotates over a pivot-like end of the other bone. You can see it in the picture. The skull rotates on the upper end of the backbone. Next joint is hinge joint. This joint moves like a hinge in one plane only, just like the hinge of the door. The elbow joint between the humor and the ulna. Joints between the bones of the fingers, toes bones, knee joints. All these are the hinge joints. Understand? This is about hinge joints. Next joint is fixed joint. It seen in the skull of human skull. In this joint, no movement is possible between the two bones. Dear students, some additional parts of the skull which are not hard as a bones but they can be bent, they are called as the cartilages. Feel the bones present in the ear and the nose are cartilages. What is muscle? Muscle is a band or a bundle of fibers. It has the ability to contract and producing the movements, okay? Maintaining the position of the part of the body is known as the muscle. They have a ability to do the movements or contraction and the relaxation. Movements in the earthworm. You can observe these earthworm moving in the gardens. You can see it. The body of the earthworm is made up of many rings joined end to end. A earthworm does not have bones. It has muscles which helps to extend and shorten the body. It moves by shortening its body and pulling the body so that the movement takes place in the earthworm. The pulling and shortening makes the body to move front. Next is movement in the snails. Snails are covered with the outer skeleton that is called a shell. This shell does not helps it to move. It protects itself by fixing the whole body into the shell from the predators. The jelly-like substance mucus is released during its movement from its body. This mucus helps in the prevention of the friction against the soil or against the ground. It provides the smoothing. It protects the body to get hurt. Next is movement in the cockroach. Movements in the cockroach. Cockroaches walk and climb as well as fly in the air. They have two pairs of wings. Cockroaches can fly with the help of these wings. They have two pairs of legs. This helps in the walking. The body is covered with the hard skeleton. This outer skeleton is made up of number of plate-like structures joined together. There are spines are present on the legs. Birds fly in the air and walk on the ground. The birds can fly because their body are well suited for flying. Because their forelimbs are modified as wings, and breastbones are modified to help the muscles of flight. Next, the tail also helps in the flying, and the shoulder bones also helps in the flying. This is about the movement in the birds. Okay. Next, I am going to tell you about the streamlined body. What do you mean by streamlined body? The organisms like fishes have the streamlined body that helps them for the swimming. The head and the tail will be pointed. Body tapers at both the ends. This kind of body is called as the streamlined body. This is seen in the fishes. That helps in the movement in the fishes. Fishes have the fins and the tails that helps them to change their directions in any way. In any direction they can change their direction. Next is the movements in the snake. Movement in the snake. How the snake moves. Snake moves easily in the rough surface, but it feels difficulty to move on the soft surface. Snake has a long backbone. They have many thin muscles. Snakes moves very easily on the grass and they feel difficulty to move on the sand.